Hey folks, good evening. I wanted to show you my latest toy here, Big Boys Toys. I got myself the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now this is one fantastic watch. I've been trying it out for the last few days, and let me briefly just show you what it's all about. I mean, basically, the great thing about this watch, it comes with this AI powered health and fitness, personalized running coaches, workout ideas, the usual sleep tracking, blood pressure, all that sort of good stuff, ECG as well. So there's a lot of health stuff on it. You know, it's definitely a durable design for sure, built to a military standard titanium case, enhanced dual GPS. So, you know, there's a lot of great features in there, you know. So let's have a look at this watch first anyhow, and then we'll talk about the price tag and all the rest of the stuff, okay? Let's open the box here, okay? So nicely packed, pretty good packing. And here is our machine here. And now look at this strap here. This is a fantastic blue strap that's also in the box. And this is one of these click-on straps. Let me show you how that clicks in so easily, so you can change these straps. They're interchangeable. Okay, let's have a look at that. Okay, here's the watch. Here's the strap. And they just click in like this. Clicked in. And this one clicks in. When I do it correctly, let me do it correctly. Now, so let me put the watch on the arm here. You have to make sure that it fits nice and snugly. So all these readings and stuff that it does. Yeah. So it's 47 millimeters wide. So you can see it's pretty big, yeah? So it's a big watch, sits comfortably on the arm. So let's have a closer look. I really like the sort of color here, you know. So let's have a closer look at all the functions anyhow. I'm not going into them in depth because, you know, anyone buying this sort of watch will be checking at the features themselves. They're not going to rely on me, okay? Right, I'm going to breeze through these features. So you have your main power button here to turn it off, on, the red button there. Right, let's press the home button up here. Home button, you can see there I've set up a clock face. I'm showing my times in Thailand, Los Angeles, and the battery. Let's talk about the battery. That's easily lasting 3 days. I mean, okay, the first day I got it, I was playing around with the phone, so it lasted 2 days. But if you're not playing around with the phone, it's going to last a long time. Let's power it up again, and first thing you have is you've got your usual quick connections here, Wi-Fi, location, basically lamp, you know, the usual stuff, all those, airplane mode. So you've got those from the top here, right? Now, if I hold this clock face, I can change to another clock face. Now watch this. Here's the other one. Just pick it and change. So there's thousands of clock faces you can buy, and there's tons of them free. So, but it's so easy to change them. Look at, just press, hold, pick the one you want. There's a lovely one there. Look at that. I mean, that's incredible, yeah? I mean, this is definitely a Big Boys toy, yeah? So let me go back to my favorite one. I like to know the times in other places where I want to be, Los Angeles and Bangkok. Now, sliding up from the bottom, you see here, you've got your Samsung Health app, calendars, messages, you know, everything. Basically, it's like a computer. It's like your smartphone, yeah? So you have everything here you want. And I can even make calls here. Ring my sister there. Make calls, receive calls. So, but there's one caveat on that. You need an eSIM to do that. So let's say you leave your phone in the car and you're out hiking 20 miles away. You need your provider to give you an eSIM that will be connected to your phone. Because if you don't have an eSIM, then you can't make and take calls when you're away from your phone. But I still find it handy. I can have my phone, say, in the bedroom. I'm lying on the sofa. Someone rings me. I can answer the call on the sofa and send messages and do everything. So from that point of view, it's fine. But unfortunately, my provider here, 48 in Ireland, doesn't do eSIMs. Oh yeah, and then there's tiles. There's notifications, so you can get the newspaper articles, and you can, you've got different tiles here. I'm trying to do this and show you at the same time, so it's a bit hard. Calculator, everything, world clock, the blood pressure, ECG records. So, walking, running, you set up your running there, you turn on your location, off you go. I'm not going to do that, so let me go back one step. Yeah, I like to do a lot of walking. So walking, location on, let's turn the location on. But now I have the walking set up on a quick button, and off you go. So there you go. So yeah, it is pretty nifty. Yeah, I just wanted to give you a flavour of the watch. I'm not going into these deep reviews that other people do. One thing I will say to you is, if you're buying this for someone at Christmas, Harvey Norman's selling it. Harvey Norman has that watch on at, what's it, 699 €699. I can buy that for 477 euros, through a Dutch website. So if anyone's planning to buy this watch, talk to me first, and you'll get it like 150 euros cheaper by buying it in mainland Europe. Even check out amazon.de, which you can use in English as well. So you will definitely get it 150 euros cheaper than anyone here in Ireland. Harvey Norman, 699, that's absolute daylight robbery. This watch is worth about I bought it for 477. It is fantastic, titanium. The strap, fantastic. I love it. It is a great watch. Okay, there are cheaper smartwatches for sure, and they do the same thing. But this is just, the big thing on this is the advanced GPS. I know when I turned on location, it's instant to find the location. So that was very fast compared to my old smartwatch, And yeah, that's it then. So, and I got a protector for the face. Let me show you the protector I got. So I bought this Easy Fit glass protector. So basically, this is my second one. I had one. This is the second one. You just put it sitting on the watch, press there in the middle, and basically it puts a film of plastic over your watch, so it'll stop it damaging. But they give you a couple of implements here to sort of clean the face before you do that job. So that's a little extra. So there you have it, the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Fantastic watch for sure. The little bit I've used it so far, I'm quite impressed. It's a nice Christmas present if you're planning to buy it for anyone, but don't get ripped off by Irish retailers. You shop abroad in the EU, full guarantees, everything, just why give 150 extra here? Don't do it. All the best, everyone, and we'll be in touch. I'm off on a hike. Ha ha ha.